Hey there, preferred customers. There's news. We are launching Herbalife Nutrition India's first preferred customer reward program. How this works is very simple. Every time you buy Herbalife Nutrition products that you love, you will accumulate certain volume points. By accumulating volume points, you will be rewarded a gift along with a qualifying order. Here are the 4 levels of our reward program: Happiness, Joy, Delight and Delight Pro. Each level has a set of volume points and time frames, and you will receive gifts at each reward level over a period of 12 months. Here are some details about the different levels of our preferred customer reward program. Level 1, Happiness. Level 2, Joy. Level 3, Delight. Level 4, Delight Pro. This is how our preferred customer reward program works. Let's give you an example. Raj is an existing preferred customer. Upon the reward program going live, Raj will accumulate volume points each time he buys the products of Herbalife Nutrition. When Raj accumulates 50 volume points, he would qualify for the first level, Happiness. As a result, Raj will receive a gift along with his purchased products. But the fun does not stop there. Apart from winning a reward, Raj is now eligible for level 2, which is Joy. Now, in the next 2 months, if he can accumulate 100 volume points by purchasing Herbalife Nutrition products, Raj is again rewarded by a gift as a result of accomplishing level 2, Joy. Now that Raj has successfully earned 2 rewards, what's next, you may wonder? He becomes eligible for level 3, Delight. In this level, Raj will have to accumulate 350 volume points over a span of 4 months. Upon doing so, he becomes eligible for a gift along with his purchase made. As a result of completing 3 levels of our reward program, Raj becomes qualified to enter the final stage of the program, Delight Pro. In this level, over the course of 5 months, Raj will have to earn 500 volume points. Once he is done with that, the best gift of the program becomes his. Now that example was for an existing preferred customer. When it comes to a new preferred customer, the process remains the same, but the application month is an important criterion for new preferred customers. This is the outline of our preferred customer reward program. We urge you to spread the message and add happiness, joy, and delight to the lives of your customers.